Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl again, Okeowomoumi Iluyombo. Welcome back. Nagode Kedu Odima. To all my new subscribers, thank you for joining this team. Love you guys. I see you guys. And to the old ones, thank you for sticking with me. I love you guys so much. So this is the it's not a look, it's all about the hair. So I did this hair in less than 30 minutes and I decided to share it on my YouTube channel. Like I said, I'm going to be doing more of natural hair for you guys. It's going to be anything natural, no what is it called, relax or anything, anything natural, lace wig and all that. Yeah, so this is the look. I mean, not look, forget, it's not look. So this is it, and I hope you guys like it. I love it. It's very easy, very economical, and the hair is also very cheap. All right, so yeah, hope you guys like it. All right, I'll see you guys until next time on my next video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, ciao. Hi guys, how is everybody doing? TGIF. Today is Friday. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing my hair. Guys, my hair is growing. Like, my hair is literally growing. I'm really so happy. I'm going to insert a clip of when I cut my hair 2 years ago. Like, I really cut it like it was bored. I cut my hair bored. So my hair is actually growing. Look at it, guys. I want to do my hair with you guys. So I've had my hair taken out yesterday. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. It's so clean, but because I've kind of like lost it since yesterday, I thought I was going to be doing this video yesterday, but I didn't. But now, yeah. So alright, so these are the things I just want to show you guys, the things I'm going to be using to prepare my hair. So I have the Sheer Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Coil and Shine Conditioner with Sleek Protein and Neem Oil. I think that's what it is. So right there, this is the moisturizer I'm going to add to my hair. And I'm going to be using this Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, coconut oil, shine and oat mist. I'm going to be using that on my hair. And also I'm going to be using the African Best Textures Ultra Penetrating Fab 5. It contains flaxseed, coconut, castor oil, monoi and jojoba natural growth oil. So I'm going to be using these as well. Apply this on my hair. And also I'm going to be using the Hair Chemist Strengthening Hair Oil with castor oil. Yeah, I love the castor oil products. Yeah, I'm going to be using that too on my hair. I'm going to be using this Gel Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Smoothie. I'm going to apply this too on my hair. I want you guys to see it. Can you guys see it? I hope it's clear. Yep, I'm going to use that. And also I'm going to be using water. Spray this first on my hair. Yes. This is the hair that I'm going to be using today. This is a Janet Collection Noi Natural Mali style. So I'm going to be using this. This is the hair that I'm going to be using today, just so you guys know. Okay, I'm also going to be using the Go To Be Glue. Oh, alright guys, so I'm going to be using the Eco Style Professional Styling Gel. And also I need my big comb and a brush. I need that. And also I'm going to be using the 24-hour edge tamer, this right here. Let me show you guys. So this is what I'm going to use to lay the edges, so for you guys to see. All right, so we're going to get started. Like I said, my hair is like so pressed in. All right, so I'm going to start the video. I'm not gonna say much. I just want you guys to see. I don't want to talk too much. Okay, so you guys see what I'm talking about. Yeah. All right. My hair is actually growing, guys. Like, my hair is growing.